thunderstorm warning for southwestern Kingfisher County in central Oklahoma, southeastern Blaine County in northwestern Oklahoma until 1 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:18 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Watonga, moving northeast at 20 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. 1 a.m. Central Daylight Time indicated threat. At 12:18 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Watonga, moving northeast at 20 miles an hour. Citing expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. Greenfield. This is a radar indicated threat. For your following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Watonga, Greenfield, and Omega, southwestern Kingfisher County in central Oklahoma, southeastern Blaine County in northwestern Oklahoma until 1 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:18 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near.
Use iHeart Ad Builder to create your own.
Holy cow. Well, I'm gonna say it right now. Rather, I'm gonna tell you right now. I was expecting Norman to pull some crap like that. I thought I'd put that on display. Not that this one is gonna go off, but... And then, I didn't get to let the HH50 go off, so...
Include fail up to the size of nickels.
Go ahead and do the siren test on it, since it didn't get to go off.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Caddo County in southwestern Oklahoma, south central Blaine County in northwestern Oklahoma, southwestern Canadian County in central Oklahoma until 1:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:42 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located moving northeast at 25 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. Until 1:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:42 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located moving northeast at 25 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. This is a radar indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, sidings, and trees. Locations impacted include Hinton, Bridgeport, and Cedar Lake. For your protection, you're going to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Okay, so...
Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm and now it's literally the The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Blaine County in northwestern
Here's the HH. HH50.
Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour. signs and national entries. Locations include Hydro and Greenfield. For your protection, you may room on the lowest floor of a building.
Shut up. That was perfect. That was absolutely perfect timing right there. I didn't even know that that alert had gotten issued. What I originally turned on the camera for was to show you something on my WR300. Oh, there's the HH50. I guess I can go ahead and sound siren on this again. Actually, no, forget it. What I originally turned on the camera for was to show you the log on my WR300, but it turns out that the Lord did not want that to happen. Or excuse me, the National Weather Service Norman didn't want that to happen. So, yeah. But hey, at least I managed to catch all my radios going off. Anyways, so here's what I was originally going to show you. Oh, it's right there. Look at this. So that's the severe thunderstorm warning that just came in, which, ironically, I think that expires at the same time as the severe thunderstorm watch. The tornado warning you saw in the last clip, where I decided to vent about the National Weather Service Norman. Okay. Another severe thunderstorm warning, and then this is the severe thunderstorm watch, which also expires at 1:52, which is when, oh. I guess this expires a minute later than the severe thunderstorm watch. Wow. And also, look at this. Do you know something? All severe weather alerts. Every single alert that's saved in the log on this 300 are severe weather alerts. There are no required weekly tests included in that. Even on this W300. Well, there's still one required weekly test saved in it, but yeah. Wow. The things I do for YouTube. Anyways, now I'm gonna officially try to get some sleep. Anyways, thank you for watching, and that'll be it for now. Here we go again. There we are.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for roads to drive on.
Oh wait.
Following pointers are expected to hail down
Vance Air Force Base.
Floor of a building. Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm northwestern Oklahoma, northeastern Dane County, and northwestern Oklahoma, southeastern County, and northwestern Oklahoma. Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Kingfisher County and central Oklahoma, northern Dane County and northwestern Oklahoma, northeastern Dane County and northwestern Oklahoma, southeastern Lincoln County and northwestern Oklahoma until 2:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:25 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Canton, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following events are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect some tree damage. And damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations affected include Fairview, Akeem, Canton, Greenville, Longdale, Ames, Canton Lane, Isabella, Homestead, Summit, and Lacey. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Hello everyone, this is MSRNDA 2000 here, and this is going to be the 7 p.m. weekly test on WXK5 for Wednesday, March 17th, 2021.
Programming originates from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Norman, Oklahoma. At Oklahoma City, the sunset this evening occurs at 7:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time, and the sunrise in the morning occurs at 7:36 a.m. Central Daylight Time.
Here we go.
Service radio warning alarm feature. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at a greater distance from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. During severe weather, the warning alarm will be activated for severe thunderstorm and tornado watches, and for severe thunderstorm, tornado, and flash flood warnings. The warning alarm will also be used for civil emergency messages. A test of the warning alarm feature of National Weather Service Radio is conducted at 12 noon and 7 p.m. each Wednesday, unless there is a significant risk of severe weather in the area. At Oklahoma City, the sunset this evening occurs at 7:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time, and the sunrise in the morning occurs at 7:36 a.m. Central Daylight Time. The Oklahoma City climate summary is of 6 p.m. March 17th, 2021. So far today, the light temperature has been 68 degrees.
Anyways,
The normal high is...
thanks so much for watching, and that'll be it.